Hey, what's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Harry Potter haul, as on Tuesday I went to the Harry Potter studio tours for my third time, and for the first time I got to go see it in the snow. I went at Hogwarts in the snow and oh my god, it was just the best way to set off 2019 with being in Hogwarts in the snow. It was pretty magical. So naturally I'm going to show you everything I bought. I'm just gonna get stuck in because, to be honest, there's a lot of stuff in this bag right next to me. Just to warn you. Okay, so the first few things I'm going to be showing you are actually gifts. The first one is this Hogwarts Express ticket. I have got the night bus ticket and I didn't have this until I went on Tuesday. My boyfriend bought it for me. He was very kind to buy it for me. So now I have both tickets, and it's not very exciting, I guess, to some people, but to me, very exciting piece of paper. So it was actually my birthday on the 2nd of January, which was the day after we went to the studio tours. It was my 21st birthday, and my mum and dad secretly got me some things from the tour while we were there on Tuesday without me realising, and I got them on my birthday. So here's the things that they got me. The first thing is this little platform 9 3/4 pen. It's just got this little platform 9 3/4 emblem thing on it, dangling down. It's just a little pen, little click pen. So it's very cute though, I do like it. And the second thing, a lot of stationery stuff she got me, which I don't mind because I love stationery so much. The second thing is a Gryffindor pencil. I'm a Gryffindor, if you did not know. This is just a pencil with Gryffindor on it. Not much else to say about it. So this next thing that my mum got me, oh my god, I love it so much. I'm really bad, to be fair, with notebooks. I collect them and I hoard them and I don't use most of them. So obviously my mum got me another one to add to the collection. And it is just a Hogwarts Express ticket notebook. It looks just like the actual ticket, but notebook form. It's got a little pen holder on the side, which is lovely. I love Harry Potter notebooks. The books they make in the studio tours, the official notebooks, they're very well made, they're very good quality. They've got gold binding, this one does, well this one does anyway. It's got gold binding and they're just beautiful, and it's just another one to add to my ever-ending collection of just blank notebooks in my drawer. So they also got me a chocolate wand. Not much to say about it, it's a wand that's chocolate. I've had one of these before, they're really nice, so chocolate wand. So my mum and dad also very kindly bought me a new scarf. So when I was 16 for my first time, I bought myself a scarf and it's proving to be very rummy. There is a comparison between my new scarf and the scarf I bought 5 years ago. Okay, it doesn't actually look as bad on camera, they look pretty much the same, but trust me, this one is very tatty. The colour's fading, it's pulled. This one is just a lot nicer and newer, and I'm so happy I have a new scarf now. The last thing my parents got me from there for my birthday, I already knew about because I picked it out myself. My mum said she wanted to get me a t-shirt whilst I was there, so I chose this Hogwarts Railway one, and as you can see it says Hogwarts Railway, and it just has the Hogwarts crest with all the houses, and yeah, it's very soft, it's just a light grey and I love it so much, it's very comfy. Okay, so getting into what I bought myself. The first thing I did, I've been wanting for ages and I've seen so many people have it and I've just always wondered where they got it from and I just could never find it until I went on Tuesday and I found it, which is a chocolate frog trinket dish. These are beautiful, I cannot even describe. It's just a little shallow china trinket dish that it's been painted to look like a chocolate frog box, and it's very well made and I love it a lot. Instead of saying the prices as I go along throughout the video, I'm just going to link them all down below because there's a lot of stuff here and I just feel like I'm going to add like 20 minutes onto the video if I just keep trying to find out all the prices during this video. How many times can I say this video in this video? So the next three things I got are pin badges, as I'm an avid pin badge collector. I love my pins, so naturally I just had to get some more while I was there. So the first one I got, which I've been wanting for ages but I can never find it because it was always out of stock, which is the Gryffindor head girl badge. It's so beautiful, I love it a lot. The second one I got is the Order of the Phoenix badge. I've never actually seen this one before, so I had to get it. It was beautiful. It matches my red theme apparently. It's just basically a fire with a phoenix in it and it says Order of the Phoenix, and I really like this one. I like that a lot, so I had to get it. And the third and final pin badge I got was a Hogwarts Railway one. So if you go to the studio tours and you try and find this, it will not be in the main shop. So throughout the studio tours they have 3 shops now. Now they've got the Forbidden Forest, they've got 3 anyway. And in each shop there's specific things in there that you cannot buy in the main shop. So my advice is, if you're going, get the stuff in the shops as you see them, because odds are you won't get them in the main shop. So that's what I did with this pin badge. I saw it, I liked it, and I grabbed it. Simple as. So the next piece is a treat for myself. I got some birthday money as it was my 21st, and I've wanted this for a very, very long time. So I finally splurged and I got it, which is the Hermione's Time Turner Noble Collection replica piece, and it just looks like this. It comes in a display case and it works, it moves, it spins. There's actual little sparkly sand, golden sand in there as well, which is beautiful. It's just so well made. I really don't mind paying the money I did for it because I've wanted this for so many years and now I finally have it and I'm so happy. Okay, so the next thing I got is a classic chocolate frog. I have to get one of these every time I go because I collect the cards, which I've also just realised they don't only do 5 anymore, they do a lot more. So I need to collect them. But this time I got Rowena Ravenclaw and I didn't have her, so now I have all 4 founding people of the houses of Hogwarts. So that made me very happy. My mum bought my dad a chocolate frog as well, and he gave me the card out of that because he got Dumbledore. I didn't have Dumbledore, so now I have the original 5, but apparently there is more, so forever collecting. Okay, so I also got myself a bag. I needed something to carry all my stuff in, and there was a Marauders map bag, so of course I was going to get it. It was £3. Okay, so the last thing I bought myself was Dumbledore's wand. As you can obviously tell, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it, I did not have this one before. I've got Harry's wand and I've got Newt Scamander's wand, and now I have Dumbledore's wand, and I'm very excited for it. I love collecting these. I don't even care how much money they are. I love them. They are so well made, they are so worth the money, and they're just, for a massive Harry Potter fan like me, for somebody who likes collecting Harry Potter merchandise, I like these. They are beautiful, really well made, and I don't mind giving all my money to Harry Potter. Okay, so that's everything I got from the studio tours. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you want to see more Harry Potter and magical things, videos, anything that I post on my channel. If you want to see it, don't forget to click the subscription box and give me a subscribe. It will really help. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!